The greatest secret to healing, liberty, and restoration, part 1. The labor of the foolish, we are told, wearies every one of them because they lack knowledge of how. There is how to be saved. There is how to be healed. There is how to be delivered. There is how to be liberated and completely set free. There is how to be restored. There is how to be rich without sorrow. There is how to live happily, enjoying peace and rest on every side. When you lack knowledge of how, you suffer like the rest of the world. The world is full of people who lack knowledge of how to do what they are trying to do. That's why most people are poor. They work every day, as a matter of fact, from childhood to adulthood. And yet, all over the world, we have just about 1% of the world's population that are well-to-do, really, really rich. And they are controlling the whole world. You know why? Because they know what the poor masses don't know. So when you lack knowledge of how, you suffer like the rest of the world. There is how to be healed. If you lack knowledge of how to be healed and how to remain healthy, you may die sick and God will still be God. Listen, if you can understand this secret and apply it, listen, you will share a testimony in the next 50 years of your life if Christ tarries and you are still alive, that I have been healthy. Etiegin said for 67 years, he never knew what it means to have a headache. I was delivered from death 31st of May 1981. Since that day till today, November the 10th, I have not taken one medicine on account of sickness, free from sickness. Since 1999 till today, I have not spent a dime to buy drugs for my household. I enjoy divine health. My family enjoys divine health. If for any reason there's an attack, I know how to stop that attack. I know. I am here to talk to you from my heart because there is what you need to know to live free from sickness, to be liberated and free, and to be restored in every area of life. If you can pick this message and apply it to heart and share it with those you love, listen to me, you are going to enjoy the best era of your life from today. What is the topmost secret God has given us to free us from sickness, from disease, from all troubles? Number one, it is for you to receive his sent ambassador. Proverbs 13 and verse 17. A wicked messenger falls into ruin, but a faithful ambassador is held and brings healing and health. The King James Version says a faithful ambassador is held. Why is he held? NIV tells us it is because he is to bring healing to the people. The New King James Version says it is because he is to bring health to the people. So you are healthy, made fit by God to bring the same thing to others. That's why you are a messenger. That's why you are an ambassador. You see, a faithful ambassador, a representative, a mouthpiece of the Lord is held and brings healing and health to the people. In Luke chapter 9, from verse 1 to 6, Jesus called his 12 disciples that he named apostles and gave them power and authority and sent them forth to have that power exercised over all devils and to cure the sick.